enhance GTA 5 graphics like GTA 6 25. Recommended ReShade presets to use. 1. Photorealistic Shade preset, NaturalVision Evolved, NVE compatible. 2. QuantV enhanced ReShade preset. 3. RTGI, Ray Traced Global Illumination by Pascal Gilcher, if you're a Patreon subscriber. ReShade settings to enable manual tweaks. After installing ReShade, open the in-game menu, default, home key, and enable the following shaders for a GTA 6 look. Color and lighting. LUT.fx. Use a LUT like GTA 6 NaturalVision.cube. Adjust strength to 0.70, low 0.850 for realism. Curves.fx. Mode contrast. Strength 0.fx. Exposure 0.05. Gamma 1.1. Saturation 0.20. HDR.fx. HDR power 1.3. Radius 0.85. Ambient lighting ray tracing fake arc MXAO.fx. Sample radius 4.0. Sample range 8.0. Ambient occlusion amount 1.0 enables subtle shadows and crevices like GTA 6 trailers. Optional, use RTGI.fx if you're a Patreon supporter for real ray traced lighting. Bloom and glow, QuintBloom.fx, bloom intensity 0.65, threshold 1.00, blend mode additive. Clarity.fx, strength 0.6, blend mode luminosity. Sharpening and clarity, adaptive sharpen.strength 1.2, Quint Lightroom.fx optional, but great, +3, tint, exposure, +0.1. Depth and cinematic look, depthhaze.fx, used for distance fog and realism, cinematicdoff.fx/quintdoff.fx, makes far scenes blurry like a GTA 6 cutscene. Installation tips. 1. Install ReShade from htagReShade.me. 2. Select GTA5.exe or FiveM.exe, choose DirectX 10, 11, 12. 3. Download all effects during install. 4. Apply the above settings manually or download a preset ini from creators like Raised Mods, MVE, QuantV preset packs, Pascal Gilcher, RTGI. Optional mods to enhance further. NaturalVision Evolved, NVE, Hyper-Realistic Mod, QuantV 3.0, improved weather, colors, lighting, LA roads plus lively traffic for GTA 6-like immersion, real rain or realistic time cycle. Pro tips. Turn off in-game post-processing like motion blur for sharper visuals. Tweak gamma and brightness for your monitor settings. Use borderless windowed mode for better ReShade compatibility. Back up original game files before modding.